All right, today's mod, we have a rear strut brace. This one's a Cusco rear brace for our WRX.
Hell yes.
Pretty solid. We did the front one already. Got a video on that. Did the brake support, master cylinder brake support brace as well. Really want to firm these up. Yes, it looks cool and blue, but that is a protective sticker to keep it from scratching. So nice and solid. And yeah, sturdy strut brace. We looked at some of the cheaper ones, but they just don't have the same kind of similar thickness to the welds and stuff like that and the metal they use here. So we went with the genuine stuff. First step, you got to take your back seat out. So you might have, there's two bolts on the front, one here, one over there. They might have a plastic cap, and they're just a 12mm bolt. Now that the back seat's out, you can just lift up on the front and take it out. Now we need to get the rear seat out, and the rear seat is 4 12mm bolts. 1, 2, 3, and then same over there, 4. And then it kind of hooks over the top, so you lift it up and out. Okay, now we got to lift it up and out, and of course you got the seat belt here, but that's just gonna slide underneath. So up. Seat belts around the side. The other side's gonna be lifted up. And we got the seat belt in the middle here. Middle hook is middle hooked. Lift. It did come with instructions. Google Translate does a good job of translating those over. So in the back of the car, you got to take the ends off, which is no problem. It's a 15mm nut on and bolt. And then it's going to go through that hole there. And on the other side, that hole there. And that's where your strut tops are. So it does say you can take the seatbelt retractors off, make it a bit easier. There's only one bolt and a bit of a metal hook that holds those in. But that's where you want to put the bar in to get it happening. We're just going to make some room, so we're just going to remove the seat belts. Again, it's one bolt. It's a, is it a 14 or a 15? It's a 14. The 3 on top of the strut, that's just a 12mm, and they're not torqued in very tight. Now these are not symmetrical, so there's definitely a left and a right. They're not labeled, no big deal. Just you can just trial and error. You can see they should go in like that, nice and easy. So we'll put the nuts on, and then we'll torque these down to spec, which is pretty light from memory. So these little strut top bolts, factory spec, according to the manual I got from eManual online, it's 20 Newton meters, so that's not very much at all. Now we're in the back of the car and we want to install our bar. So you do have that spacer washer that goes between the two plates. You want to make sure that's there. I have not tightened those down, to torqued them down yet, because I want to have a bit of play so we don't have an issue putting all this back in. Let's see what we do here. Nice clean finish. I guess we should go for the bolt head to the front, and we can. This is the bar itself looks symmetrical, so I think we can put it in either way. But we'll just go with the writing side up. I guess we'll start peeling this off and get one side started. And the washer goes on the side with the nut. A bit tight because it's on the inside, but there's room. So I noticed the holes in the bar are actually a little bit slotted. So there's room there to move left and right. And there is the optional brace you can get on this, which is the V brace, which you then drill into the floor and mount there, but not doing that one at the moment. So we got one side in, let's go the other. All right, we're in. Everything's loose. Now we're going to torque down those nuts on the inside, torque them down to 20 newton meters on the strut tops, and then we're done. And we can put the seat back in. We're done on the inside, and then we're going to crank these tight. And we'll get this as tight as we can go. There we go. That's pretty tight. And the other side. The Cusco rear brace, or pretty much any other rear brace that goes to strut tops, is on. Pretty good. Now we just gotta put the seat back in and this job's done.